G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is July the 6th, 2023. This is the US crude oil price update. On our weekly, we're showing a bearish momentum. On our daily, it's long. And on the hourly, I'll show you how to trade a divergence, but also trade with the direction of the weekly and daily trend analysis programming. So on the weekly, first off, we've got the triple moving average and the moving average of the CCI 150. And this multiple moving average oscillator which we developed, that's showing a bearish signal on the weekly. So predominantly bearish trades should be taken on the lower time frame. On the daily though, we're still up in a bullish momentum. But notice we've been stuck in this support resistance range for some time now. And we're now also approaching this key resistance area at 72.70. But just be mindful, since our last update, if I go to the hourly chart, we are looking at a bearish divergence on the CCI, which means we're going to see further declines most likely from where we are at the moment. So this might be a minor resistance area. But notice since our last update, the price, we did have a bullish divergence here on the CCI versus a bearish on the price. And we did project the entry here when they broke above the channel. And we said to target, we always target the closest Fibonacci range. In this case, it hit it quite easily, but it kept going up until about the 88% level. So the high probability level is always the closest Fibonacci range if you want to be very cautious about taking these trades. Otherwise, the higher you go, the more or less likely the probability of success. In this case, it's gone as high as the 88% so far. So I've got another divergence playing out at the moment, and we're looking at declining from here. So what we look at doing now is we draw an entry point, and that will be that we go to that candle there. So the entry will be somewhere below that entry. That lowest channel there will be the entry point. And in terms of target area, then we draw let me get rid of this Fibonacci. I'll get rid of that as well. We draw another target area on the Fibonacci between that low and that recent high. So if the entry is down there, we target the next Fibonacci level, which will be that 50% down to the 61% level. So if that happens, that's probably going to continue this trend within this channel in terms of coming back down to that key area. So that'll be our target entry below that channel, and that'll be our target hit at that level between the 50 to 61% level. As well, in terms of trading with the weekly and the daily time frame, when they both align on the oscillator down here, we make sure that alignment shows up before we take any trades. And you can see here I've done a bit of back testing. If I zoom out, that's the short back test and that's the long back test. So again, when the weekly and daily are aligned, in this case we're waiting for a potential short oscillator downturn, we'll take a short trade, and that's where you'll see this back test play out. So to understand how to trade this and other trading strategies, subscribe to my Patreon page where we also look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.